One sunny day with skies so blue, Dino woke up with an achoo. His nose went wiggle, his eyes went wide, then boom, a sneeze he couldn't hide. Achoo went Dino, the room went pink, his toys turned red, and his floor turned ink. He sneezed again, oh no, not blue. Now everything changed to a purple hue. He tried to hold the sneeze in tight, but the toy box zoomed and took a flight. Teddy bears flew left and right, blocks were spinning out of sight. The next big sneeze made music play. A trumpet honked, the cow said neigh, the toaster barked, the fridge said moo. Poor Dino didn't know what to do. Mia brought a scarf, soft and sweet, wrapped it round his Dino feet. Let's warm your nose and give it rest. But Dino sneezed, you guessed the rest. Achoo went Dino one final blast. Giggles and glitter flew so fast. The sneeze was gone, hooray, hooroo. Now everything was back, well, mostly blue. Now Dino sleeps with tissues near, just in case a sneeze comes near. But not a peep, not one achoo, just happy snores and dreams of blue.